one of the more recent that I could address is um, the mining uh, near the boundary waters, and the same thing happened a few years ago with the pipeline near the Standing Rock Reservation. And I think, I think Indigenous people do things really well when it comes to the earth and protecting it, and living by that 7 generation rule, and recognizing if we poison our water supply, what happens. In my mind, I think, people complain about paying $4 or $5 a gallon for gas. I think if we don't change things, we're going to be paying $4 or $5 a gallon for water. And that's going to be far more expensive, and detrimental to us than a lack of oil. So, I guess, looking at focusing on renewable sources of energy, rather than relying on the supplies that we're getting from the earth that, are eventually going to run out. And yes, renewable sources are more expensive, but that's because it's still new. If we're not prepping for those things, we're going to find ourselves in a far worse situation decades down the road.